Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we need to update software version. To do this, you need to open Galaxy Wearable application and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then you scroll down and go to Earbuds settings. Then scroll down again, and right here we have Earbud software update. Tap on it, and then click at the download and install. It check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just update it. Now, if you haven't new software version or if it didn't help you, the next step is to perform a factory reset, and we can do this also in the application. So just go back. Okay, you go to earbud settings, and then right here we have reset. Tap on it and then click reset. Now it removed your earbuds from your phone and from the application, so let's reconnect it. On your phone, open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, click pair new device at the top. After a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you just tap on them at the device list and then click pair. Then let's reconnect it to the application. Open Galaxy Wearable app, click start, tap at your earbuds. You can sign in into your account, I'm going to skip it. And right here we need to click on the first, but you can also select something else or agree to all and then click agree. And we did it. Now, if it also didn't help you, I recommend it to fully charge your earbuds and then check if the battery level are the same. Amazing. If it doesn't, maybe you need to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!